In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Wix website to HTML. If you've been exploring different methods to achieve this, you've probably noticed that many solutions require a payment. However, today, I'll walk you through a simple and completely free method. It involves using screenshots of your website, which will then be converted from JPEG to HTML format. While this method might seem a bit unconventional, it's effective for visually capturing your site's design, especially if you're looking for a free solution. First things first, you'll want to open up your Wix website. Make sure it's displaying exactly the way you want it to appear in HTML. It's crucial at this stage to double-check everything, from layouts to fonts and images, because the screenshots you take will reflect this precise appearance. Once you're satisfied with how your site looks, we're ready to start taking those screenshots. You can use any screenshot tool you're comfortable with. Often, computers come with a built-in tool like Snipping Tool for Windows or Preview on Mac. There are also numerous browser extensions and third-party apps specifically designed for capturing entire web pages. Choose the tool that you prefer and begin capturing screenshots of each page of your site. Be sure each screenshot covers the full page, scrolling down if necessary, to ensure that no essential content is left out. Once you've captured all the screenshots, you'll need to convert these images from the JPEG format to HTML. There are several online converters available free of charge that can facilitate this process. These converters transform the visual representation of your screenshots into HTML code. While it's important to note that this won't give you a fully functioning, editable HTML site, it will allow you to display your site visually and preserve its basic design elements. To use an online converter, simply upload your JPEG files following the site's instructions. Each site may have slightly different steps, but essentially you'll choose the files you've saved, upload them, and initiate the conversion process. Wait for the converter to do its job. This might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on the tool and your internet speed. After the conversion is complete, download the resulting HTML files. At this point, you can open these files in any web browser to view the HTML version of your site. Keep in mind that this converted site will largely be for visual reference rather than a dynamic, interactive website. It won't have the flexibility or functionality of your original Wix site, but it provides a solid free alternative for certain uses. And there you have it. That's how you can convert your Wix website to HTML using screenshots and online converters. I hope you found this method helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. See you next time.